Want to track deer without spending a fortune? Watch this. 5-gallon bucket. If you pause real quick, the ingredients will be to the right. So, first thing we're going to do, we're going to grab sugar. Grab this nice big finger sugar. You can grab, doesn't have to be brand name. I brought store brand. Pour it in there. Cool. Next thing, non-name brand, like I said, pour it in the same brown sugar. We're going to take 2 things of baking powder, baking soda. Pretty successful. And what you'll notice, deer will dig a hole, kind of look for it to mix it up. And ideally, you want to mix it up with the corn so it lasts longer. If not, the rain will wash it away. Additionally, if you want this to last longer, you can add molasses to and kind of make it a thicker substance. Old tried and true favorite, Kool-Aid. It doesn't have to be red. You can get whatever you want. Last but not least, 2 packets of Jello. Pour it in there. Now that you got everything, I chose to do it outside, but now you get in there, you get your hands in there, you mix it around. And this fills a 5-gallon bucket, so use it however you want to use it. Just make sure you mix it in with the corn, so it lasts in effect. When I first tried this, I saw a guy said this was like under $10. It wasn't, because I had to go to different stores to find different things, but you can get store value items for this and kind of make it your own. Oh. Alright, so let me show you real quick. Now that's how it looks. Now I'll mix that in with corn, or you can keep it in little packets and then spread it as you may see fit. What I would suggest, grab a little pack, spread it out, and you'll see it instantly that they'll come after and probably dig a hole. Then dig a hole for it. Again, use this where you can bait. Here in North Carolina, you're allowed to bait on private land, so that's where it's going to be used for. And this is just a tool to add to your aid. Hopefully it makes you successful in your hunting season. If you have any questions or comments, let me know, or any feedback. Thank you.